Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to share with you today is a quick insight to our options membership and what it's all about. So this is a little clip put together, cut from different segments of the options membership class and session that we ran not too long ago. So again, it might be a day or so old, but I'll give you an insight on what the options membership is all about. Now, enjoy this clip. If you're interested in the options membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. You can go here and you can go to the membership section. That will link you up to our membership website. And once you're here, you can go ahead and take a look at the option ideas and strategies. And this is what it's all about. You'll get a sample clip right now, and you can also learn more insight right here. And there's also a couple of sample videos as well right there. Now, for watching this video, I will give you a little bonus and discount. And what you can do, I'll just show you right here. When you scroll down, if you're interested in signing up, you can type in the coupon code, share the love, do it all together, and you'll see apply the coupon code. It'll give you, I think it's 50% off the first month. So off the first month, you can get the first month half off, and then it'll renew. And if you're not interested, of course, you could just go ahead and cancel before that time is up. So that's a little bonus for those of you that are watching this video. Keep in mind, if you're watching this video 6 months later or a year later, the coupon code may not work. So understand that coupon codes do expire and they do change. And in that case, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So anyways, one other quick little bonus is remember that if you go to the Traders Fly website, go to the Getting Started page. There's also an Options Trading 101 for those of you completely brand new to options. Anyways, enjoy the clip. I think you'll get a lot out of it and seeing what our member section has to offer. As we look at, let's not do Netflix because there's already a position on, but let's say Facebook here. And we're looking to buy some shares of stock. And you've got maybe 300 shares of stock, right? So this is a single stock position. And what's interesting is that I don't mind having stocks in a portfolio for certain reasons, right? If you're going on vacation, you don't want to watch things like options, maybe you want to do it for tax reasons. Oh, you got just a lot of cash, you know, sometimes stocks is fine. But what people do eventually is they go ahead and they'll buy like a put against it. So this is buy a single. And what they'll do is they'll buy, they'll buy some puts. So what does that kind of look like? I want you to think about this for a minute. It's not too tough. What does that look like? Does that look like something else you might have seen in the past? Okay, does it look like a call? Think about it, call option, right? So why would you go ahead and put up, let's say $71,000 for the stock when you can do a similar concept with, buying even in the money, let's say, call options. So you could do something like that if you want, and there it is. There's a similar perspective. This one has 89 delta. We've got 3 contracts here. This one's got 258. So this one's got 258. Look at that. 258 and 258. Now the big difference here is this one's $13,000. So we've got 13,740 for 300 contracts or 3 shares. This is known as a synthetic, right? So that's all that it is. It's just words. I could call it an apple. So I could call it a peach. Let's call this a peach, right? So here we've got 3 contracts. It's 257 delta. Now look at this. I've got 300 shares. That's 300 delta. I add some protection. Now I've got 258 delta. Identical result in a way. The big difference here is when this goes down, you can lose your full investment when you're just dealing with the synthetic, right? Because it's fake, it's veneer. Think of it like things on your teeth, right? It's fake. Whereas with a stock, if it keeps going down, well, eventually you could just lose that and you can hold on to the stock forever. So be careful because remember, you are still leveraged. This is more fully leveraged. So let's talk a little bit more about synthetics of, let's say the stock's hovering, moving around, you're, playing around with it, but you want to go ahead and protect it, or vice versa. Let's say you're bearish. You could think of it like that. Let's say you're bearish and you want a synthetic. There's a way to do this. Okay, let's go ahead and we say we buy some puts and we buy some calls and we sell some calls. So this is known, and by the way, if you ever take the portfolio margin test, not the regular margin, right? There's a thing called portfolio margin, which means, if you're buying, let's say 300 shares of stock here, you're paying 71,000, right? Well, instead, what can happen is instead of paying 71,000, it'll be like 15,000 or 20,000. It's kind of like free credit. Yeah, contango backwards. Let's see. So first we're looking at these synthetics. So what you can do is buy 3 of the puts, sell 3 of the calls. And look at this. This is kind of like a stock equivalent. Look at my delta, negative 300. That's like 300 shares. That's the 3 contracts that we've got. Let's go the other way. Let's go 3 and let's sell 3. Now I've got 300 shares right here. Now I got a synthetic that way. So again, this is exactly like a stock equivalent. So what are you doing here? You're selling this on the put side and you're buying this on the call side. So you've got here, it creates a synthetic for a stock for a lot less capital in a way. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebies section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course, go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.